My name is Michael. I'm responsible for our repair service, and I also make the reuse online drops. All our stores can trade in old Nudie Jeans. The ones I pick out, we send them to washing, and then we ship them back to Gothenburg, where I start to measure the jeans, and then I patch them up, and then I repair all the jeans. You can find anything from a pair that's just been used one time, or one pair that's been bought in like 2001 and used a lot. So it's really exciting to go through these boxes. In the stores we have a free repair service, so we work a lot on the machine. And one time a friend of mine, Pim, came by and wanted a repair job on his knee. And he said, don't do a normal repair, that's boring, do something fun. So I sketched up just a contour of a diamond and embroidered it. When I started off, I mainly did just the contours, as I said. And I looked into a lot of like old school and classic tattoos. Like the diamond, the skull, the rose. Later on I started like trying out more. For example, I made the great wave of Kanagawa. It's an old classic Japanese artwork. It took me like 10 hours to do, and it was really hard. It was almost killing me, but it was really fun to try and do something to see if I could make it by hand on just the machine. And it turned out great, I think. People are really appreciative and showing a lot of love. They really like what I do, and it's really fun to see, because it's just started off as me playing with the machine and on my spare time, actually. So I didn't think of this as something that could grow. So that's really fun to see. It's so nice that you can give these old jeans new life again, and to see them go online and go to a customer, and to think that someone is starting a new journey in these jeans. I think that's really cool.